Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the 5 best music recognition apps for PC and Android. Let's get started. First up is SoundHound. This app is great because you can identify songs by humming, singing, or playing the music. It works on Android and also on PC through its web version, making it very flexible. Next is BeatFind Music Recognition. It's fast and accurate when detecting songs in real time. Plus, it includes a music visualizer that reacts to the sound, which makes it fun to use. Third on the list is Genius. Genius not only recognizes songs, but also shows lyrics and explains the meaning behind them. It's perfect if you like learning the story behind your favorite tracks. After that comes Aha Music. This one works directly in your browser, so it's very convenient for PC users. It quickly identifies songs with just one click. Finally, there's Music Match. This app identifies songs and displays synced lyrics at the same time. It also supports lyric translation, which is great for international music. And that's it. Those are the 5 best Shazam alternatives for PC and Android. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.